Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Shiflets Phil and Family in Ohio. So for today's video, I am teaching my child to know if I sing the Do Re Mi Fa Sol La Ti Do, what he gonna pick, what kind of toy he gonna pick, and he's perfectly answered it properly. He get the xylophone and then make a music, a sound in it, and he's really enjoying. You know what? In the life of a toddler, your house is really messy, but it's okay for me because in everything they did in their life, in everyday living, having a toddler, as long as they are learning everything, that's okay for me, even if the house is really messy. I hope you guys are happy watching in our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. We are just only new here in YouTube as a family. Flower for you. This time I'm giving Robert a flower and he really accepted it. He really liked it. He really likes the color of the flowers. He really likes the nature. As you can see him, oh, he wanted to eat it. Look at our boys. They love playing outside whenever we are going out. These two lovely boys are also playing, going with us wherever we are. They are always in a safe place. We love him so much. Do you have four babies too? Did you take good care of them? I hope so, because they are really a real friend who really loves us every day, whatever happens in our life. They are there forever with us. I do hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for watching on our videos. You have a good day and keep safe. Thank you for watching again. Please kindly support us. Please do like and share. Have a good day. Love y'all.